Hi everybody. So I just became a Tori Belle affiliate. So I have been wanting eyelashes for a really long time. So I'm gonna try to make this video really fast, but it might be like 10 minutes. So more like 20, because you know how I am. So I have been looking for magnetic lashes or some kind of eyelashes because I have like none. I use my runway eyes to get my lashes to grow, but it's like $50 every time I use it. So I thought, why don't I get some magnetic lashes? So I bought eyelashes. They came with no glue. I got glue. They got so muddy. They were all over my eyes. They were disgusting. Okay. Awful. I hated the glue. And then I got some magnetic ones, and I never could get them to latch. Like I would put some here, and I couldn't get them on. For the life of me, I couldn't get them on. So by this time, I'm probably like $100 in already for these lashes. So what I decided to do was do some research, and Tori Belle Cosmetics, they came out with a magnetic eyeliner. So you put on this eyeliner, and then you put the lash, and it magnetizes and stays all day. Yeah, crazy. They also include anchors with it that you could put on like the outside if you're gonna go get buck wild and you're like nervous they're gonna fly off, and as you frolic in the sunset and stars and all that jazz, they might fly off. So you can put anchors on to help really hold them in. And I was like, you know what? They were also the first company to come up with magnetic liners. So all the other companies that are selling it are not going to be able to once their patent goes through. So if you use another company, sorry, it's not going to work anymore because they're going to have to change the labeling or their image or whatever they have to change and all that business. So what I'm going to show you today is ladies night. Okay, these are gorgeous. Okay, they come with anchors, they come with their eyelashes, and then you also get the magnetic eyeliner. Okay, so yeah, I ordered this and I became an affiliate, so I now work with Tori Belle before I even tried them because I was that sold on it. So I ordered the kit, and it was $100. And now I am an affiliate, and I can tell you about their compensation plan, which is out of this world. I can't even explain to you how good it is. It's insane. They give you compensation and credit for free product. Okay, so I got a kit, and I have the Works Brow Kit. I can show you that later. And I have the Shake It Off Makeup Remover that came with it. And then I have my eyeliner and my ladies' night eyes. So I'm just going to get started. So what you do is I already did my eyes. I already did my face. And I'm going to put on the magnetic eyeliner. And you use it literally like eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to put this on. Okay. You just kind of pull it out, okay? And if you have too much, dab it on a tissue. Don't try to like wipe it off at the top. Otherwise, it could potentially dry out, okay? So you want to make sure you go from corner to corner. So getting right down, oops, at your lash. Okay. All the way. Making sure you get all the way into that corner. And I'm going to do the other one. Getting right in there for you guys. Okay. All the way to that corner. I'm just going to give a little bit more. Like literally, it's black eyeliner. The only learning curve here would be if you don't use eyeliner that's liquid. Okay, so that might be, get a little right here in the corner, a learning curve. Okay, putting my cap on. You want it to dry. It might take a minute or two for it to dry, and you want 2 coats. Okay, so 2 coats, and you let it dry, going corner to corner. All right. Now this is crazy. Like I have watched so many videos and researched this that I'm nervous to show you if it works or not. Like I was too scared to go live because I have not tried this yet. Like you literally saw me take the plastic off of my box. Like nervous that it's not going to work and I'm going to fall flat on my face, but we'll see. Okay. So you want 2 coats. You do not want it tacky. You do not want it wet. If it's wet or tacky, it will not stick to your your eyeliner. Okay. So the eyeliner is magnetized and you will see that your lash will magnetize to it. And not only that, if you use these itty bitty tiny anchors to kind of help really keep it in place if you're going crazy, if you're just going to work. I mean, I probably wouldn't wear these to work, but I could if I really wanted to be extra. You might want some anchors, especially if you're young and going out to the bars. Maybe you could invite me. I know I might be a mom and over 30, but I'm kind of fun. And sometimes I tell really funny jokes. So to become a founding affiliate, you have to join my team by August 1st, okay? It's $100 to get your kit. And not only that, they have a booster kit for you. If you sign up, you can buy the booster kit and get all of the eyelashes, which, hello, why wouldn't you? I also have a pair of eyelashes to give away. So I'm super excited. If you want to join my team, I have a free pair of lashes for you. I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my second coat. So the founding affiliates, it ends August 1st. We are the first group. Remember, dab it on here if you have too much. Starting corner to corner. You want 2 coats. All the way to that corner. If you want to put your favorite eyeliner on first, you can, and then put this over top it. Whoa! All right. All the way to that corner. Okay. 2 coats. So I have my second coat on. I'm going to let it dry completely so it is not tacky. So when you order a kit, you need to order a starter kit. It's $50. So if you don't want to become an affiliate with me and sell or help promote this company, it's a brand new company just taking off. You would be one of the founders. So that's super exciting because the benefits and prizes go to founders and then we'll have just affiliates. But you only have till August 1st and then the price goes up to $129. So you could save yourself $30 if you join with me. I'll post my information above. So what I was saying was they are brand new. I have to get this off because it's driving me crazy. Brand new, and they have a patent out. Hopefully that's done by October. And this is going to revolutionize and completely change eyes, like completely. So people are going to want to have magnetic eyeliner because it's easier and it stays on all day. You don't have to worry about the glue. You can clean them if you need to with some rubbing alcohol, and you can get up to 30 or more wears. Depending on how wild you are, you can get more than 30. So they recommend using them 20, 30 times. So if you wear them every day, I guarantee you, and you're not crazy, you could probably get 2 months out of them, if not more. It just depends on how safe and how you keep your toddlers away from them so they don't eat them, kind of thing, and that's how it goes. So when you become an affiliate, okay, you can make up to 40% of your sales. So each kit, $50. For sake of argument, you're looking at $20 every time someone buys one. And these are brand new companies, so no one's really heard of them. So I feel that this is such a business opportunity, especially for stay-at-home moms or people that just want extra money. Dalton's leaving. He's getting deployed, so I thought this would be fun to kind of take on. So this is the kit you get. Okay, you get to pick out whichever eyelashes you want. They have 3 different choices right now. They're hoping to release more soon. And you get a brows kit, okay? I used to buy my brows kit online, so I'm super excited, from Amazon, so I'm super excited to try this. Okay, so I'm wondering, yep, still tacky. Do not apply it while it's tacky. So I might have to pause the video so I don't have to sit here and talk to you forever because sometimes I can get boring. But I'm just going to fan my eyes. what else can I tell you about? So Laura Hunter, she is the founder and CEO of Tori Belle. Isn't she beautiful? So she loved the idea of direct sales. So yes, this is another direct sales company, but I feel like honestly nowadays I feel like that's where everyone is going. We're boutique shopping. We're shopping online at different boutiques, so we have different clothes than other people. They're not really copied and they only have so much and then they're out of stock. Grayson, no thank you. We are shopping our makeup. Grayson, get out please. Oh my god, get out. And then we are doing direct sales with makeup, and I don't know what else there's direct sales with. You can do home. Get out of my room, please. 1, 2. Grayson, 2. 3. Thank you. Shut the door. Sorry. He's crazy. Okay, so I want to feel this again. And you just want to wait. If you want to get like a blow dryer out, you can. This, I promise you, is going to be beautiful and it's worth it. Yes, it might be a pain in the butt if you're in a hurry and you're like, oh my God, I could just use my glue and throw it on and go. But you really need to take the time to make sure that it is not tacky and that it sticks, because you want the magnetizing to work. And if it's too wet, it won't work. Okay. So I think we're good. All right, here we go. So here we go. Are you ready for this? I have my magnetic liner on. Okay. These are my real lashes. All right. Gonna get started. So these, oh, there's an anchor stuck to one. Hold on. There we go. These, see if there's any more anchors stuck. Okay. So looking up, I bet you can't see. There's little tiny magnets on the bottom here. I can't get you to see them. So they're going to magnetize, and you can cut these, okay? So you can trim these to fit your eye. Okay, so I'm just going to get started. And I just kind of pressed a little bit. Oh my God, would you look at that? I poked myself in the eyeball, but this is my first time. Holy poop. They're amazing and beautiful, and I'm crying because I put myself in the eye, but I could be crying because of how beautiful they are. I am not lying to you. I swear to my children, I haven't tried these yet, and I can tell you right now, this was one of the best decisions I've ever made. Oh my God. All right, here's the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna just... There we go. Okay. Oh my God, look at that. Would you just look at that? So after you put them on, you can't really move them on the magnets after you apply them right away. You can wiggle them just a little bit, but you can't peel them off. If you peel them off, it's going to take your eyeliner off and you're going to have to do it again. But holy cow, could you look at these? Look at them. They're so beautiful. These are called Ladies Night. I don't know if you can see them really well. I'm going to have to take a photo for you and post it. But seriously, look at this. Magnetized eyeliner. I just did it for you in 13 minutes because I was socializing. But it just, you know, you have to wait for it to dry. So I would do my eyes, put on my first coat, do your face, because you could do your face in 5 minutes or less with Mascara Beauty. So do your face and then do your other eyeliner. All I did was my one coat of mascara on the top and bottom. And then I put my liner on. So awesome. Okay, if you want to join my team for $100 and you get your own kit, take the plunge like I did. I'm so happy. I was a little nervous. That's why I didn't want to do a live, but I wish I would have because it was freaking amazing. All right, have a great day. Bye.